to make lemon pepper chicken, first we need ginger paste, pepper, cornstarch, lemon juice, fresh cream, whipped curd, salt to taste. All the ingredients are written in the description box with the exact amount. Please check it. Also we need some finely chopped coriander leaves, green and red chillies slit, and garlic cloves which I have chopped it finely. I have taken 400 grams of chicken and I have slit it in between and kept it aside. So we have to marinate the chicken. I am going to put 1 cup of whipped curd in it. Next, one by one I am going to add all other ingredients, that is ginger paste, salt, pepper, coriander leaves chopped, and lemon juice, and also some fresh cream. And I am going to mix it well and keep it aside for 30 to 40 minutes. Also, I have added chopped garlic in the marinated chicken. I will heat some oil in karai in which I have added whole garam masala and bay leaves. It gives a nice aroma in the oil. After that, I will add garlic cloves and ginger paste in it and fry it for some time. After that, I will add the slit green chillies and fry it in the oil. Once it is roasted, I will put the marinated chicken one by one. Now I will add the leftover marinated curd and cover the chicken with lid and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes in medium to low flame. So after 15 minutes we can see the chicken is nicely roasted and the oil has come out of the gravy. Now to make the gravy thicker, I am going to add the corn slurry. In it, cornstarch water, around 1 cup of cornstarch water I am going to add, and lastly I will add some more pepper powder for the peppery taste in the chicken. So friends, lemon pepper chicken is ready. Please enjoy with your friends and families, and if you like this video then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Till then, all of you take care. Bye bye. Happy cooking.